Howdy, Doug Scheiding of Road Cookers, Traeger Pro and Barbecue World Champion. I'm here today with Martin's Potato Rolls, celebrating National Barbecue Month, the entire month of May. And I can think of no better way to do that than to provide you the opportunity to win yourself your Traeger pellet grill Pro 22. Traegers, if you don't know, use compressed sawdust as their wood product and as a fire pot in the middle of the chamber, which helps envelop the meat that you put on the grill in smoke. Last night, as part of this celebration, I put on 2 pork butts, and we are going to make a pulled pork sandwich. Traegers, you just dial in the temperature. I dialed it in at 180 for a low and slow smoke. Put it on about 10 o'clock, and we've got about 12 hours of smoke on this. So let's take a look. Oh, look at the mahogany color, and it's developing a really nice bark. The only thing I had to do after I woke up after a nice night of sleep is I spritz it periodically, which helps absorb some of that nice blue smoke that we've got going. Our sandwich is a 5 p.m. summer sandwich, and 5 P's stand for pico de gallo, pickles, pimento cheese, pulled pork, and the M, of course, is Martin's Sandwich Potato Rolls. Those rolls provide, for me, the perfect meat to bun ratio of a sandwich that I like to make. They have a touch of sweetness and a texture of kind of a brioche. So I really like them, and I think they're the perfect complement to this sandwich. So go to martinssummerfun.com for your chance to win and download the recipe. Enjoy and smoke on.